So, Sal Khan sent me a package. Not clickbait. I mean, if we're being technical here, Khan Academy sent me a package, except like it sounds cooler if I say that Sal Khan himself sent me the package. Anyways, I have received this lovely package in the mail from Khan Academy and I couldn't be more excited to unbox it. According to the email they sent me, it's gonna have a hydro flask and some Khan Academy swag in it. So I'm like very hyped. Les scissors have arrived. So for those of you unaware, I did recently enter the Camp Con 2019 contest. And although I didn't place as one of the top 8 winners, I did place in the top 50, which is actually kind of insane because according to the Khan Academy Instagram, there were like over 1,000 people who entered this contest. So I guess I'm smart. Anywho, enough flexing. I'm gonna open this package. Why am I cutting towards my body? This is a bad idea. I've done this before. Sal, this is a tight box. Oh, we're in. We're in, baby. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's a certificate in here. Ooh. There is personal information all over this box. I love that.
We're in.
Oh? Oh? What's that? Okay. So I would presume that this suspicious looking bubble wrap is the hydro flask. I don't know what else it would be. It's really big. It's bigger than my current hydro flask. Not to flex, but I already have a hydro flask. This is in the color Frost and I have a bunch of cute like Redbubble stickers on it. I have a video of me stickering this thing, so if you want to check that out you can do so up here. So I'm gonna put the hydro flask to the side for a second because that's kind of like the main event and we gotta build the hype. So we have a certificate of completion and it actually doesn't have my name on it. So I don't know what to do about that, man. That's kind of awkward. Oh, and there's nothing else in here. I guess we're just going in. So shout out right now to Sal Khan himself. We have his seal of approval on this certificate. You know, who needs a high school diploma when you have this? Also, Catherine Wang, Queen. But actually Stephanie is also a queen. Stephanie from Khan Academy. We also stan. Wow, I love the people at Khan Academy. Khan Academy, please sponsor me. Thank you. You're welcome. Why am I saying you're welcome? Okay, we're gonna move on to the hydro flask. I guess the box is being thrown now. That almost hit over my lighting. That would have been very bad. So there's a lot of bubble wrap on this thing. I'm really glad because I would hate for this thing to get dented in the mail. It's pretty big. It's a big hydro flask. Oh man. And it's in the classic hydro flask sleeve. So this is like a custom hydro flask. There's only 50 of these in the world, I think. Oh, this is sleek. Look at that. So on one side, it says hydro flask. It's just white. It's like clean, and then on the other side it has the Khan Academy logo. That's so cool. This is gonna be my biggest flex when I get back to school. It's also got like a tinier, it's not the wide mouth, it's like the narrow mouth thing. Inhales hydro flask aroma. So for all you hydro flask collectors out there, the exact model of this hydro flask is a 21-ounce standard mouth with flex cap white, but mine has a Khan Academy logo on it, so I'm special. I worked on a video for 30 hours of my life for this. It may not be cool to you, but it's freaking cool to me. Oh, I see the swag. The swag's in here, baby. Dude, look at all these stickers. I can like swag out everything I own. Might I add that these stickers are like really high quality. Like they're like nice like vinyl stickers. They're like definitely kind of feeling like those ones from Redbubble, if not better. It's great, it's good, it's blissful. We stan. I can stick all these Khan Academies everywhere. Dude, that's such a flex. And what's down here? Oh! Is this a business card? Oh, it's like a business card for like the custom like printing. I thought it was gonna be like a business card from like Stephanie from Khan Academy, absolute queen. We had a really good email exchange. Like a really solid email exchange. This is not Stephanie's business card. This is the iconic imprint thing, which is funny, guys, because it's iconic, like Khan Academy, guys. So that was a little bit underwhelming. I was expecting more swag. This is pretty swagalicious though. We have to do a water tape. Okay, I'm gonna go get that water now. I have her filled now. It's time for the taste test. I did rinse it out beforehand. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get like lead poisoning. Wait, there's not lead in Hydro Flask. I don't know. I'm not gonna get like acrylic poisoning or like metal poison. I don't know what it's called.
But you know what we're drinking.
Wow. The hydration factor in this thing is great. You know, we got 32 fluid ounces. We got an amazing non-profit slapped on the bottle. Gotta stand Khan Academy with their minimalistic logo that doesn't look bad. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, seriously, like my two favorite things, learning and hydration, and they're in one thing. I don't have to choose one over the other now. No matter where I go, I can show that not only do I stay hydrated, I also support and stan an amazing nonprofit. I kind of really want like a Khan Academy merch drop to happen, because I would stroll in there, I would grab that Fjallraven Kanken out of there, I would get that backpack, I'd put it on to school, you know, I'd just be standing all day, every day.